Stalwart for the event that they are organizing. The Sports Authority has decided to get associated. The event is being held under the aegis of Sports Authority of Goa. We have blessings on this event, and it's an event full of thrill, excitement, adrenaline at its highest ebb, and there is a lot of sports psychology into play, a lot of mental toughness of the riders that you usually see.
It's held under the aegis of the FMSCI. FMSCI sends the chief stewards, the scrutineer, everybody to see that the race is held in a competent manner. They find that we do a good job, and that is the reason we've been doing this event for the past 20 years. The track is about 900 meters. It's got 8 double jumps. We've got 3 tabletops, 1 cut tabletop, the 12 corners which are called berms, and 1 big tabletop which is going to be the finish. We are expecting, as I said, more than 120 entries, participants from all over the country. The prize money is approximately 3.5 lakhs per round. Besides this, we also give start money for people attending, or riders or participants attending the event.
We had formed this club, Stalwart Motorsports Club, only to promote motor racing in Goa. We started with our own race first of all, wherein we came in contact with Mr. Shyam Kothari in motor racing. And this year we will be hosting the second championship and the first round in Goa.